Hello, I'm Griffpatch, founder of Griffpatch Academy. Welcome to this speedy lesson on how to get started with Scratch, an awesome coding platform developed by the MIT Media Lab, where we can create our very own interactive stories, games, and animations. Today, we're going to take a quick tour of the Scratch website and editor to get you started on your creative journey. Let's start by opening our web browsers and going to the Scratch website at scratch.mit.edu, or you can just Google it. Here you'll find a community of creators, a gallery of projects, and of course the Scratch editor. But before we dive into that, on the homepage, why don't we take a moment to explore? You can view featured projects, see what's popular, or check out the latest creations from the community. Yes, it's a great place to find inspiration and see what's possible with Scratch. Go on, have a wander around and take in all that awesome creativity. Now, to create your own projects, we have two options. Either we could join Scratch by clicking on the Join Scratch button and following the instructions to create our new account. It's quick, easy, and free. Or, if we prefer to stay offline, you have the option to download the Scratch 3 editor from most app stores. Here it is in the Windows Store, and again, it's quick, easy, and free. However, just be aware the offline editor lacks access to the community Scratch features. So, the Scratch editor. Once you're logged in, click Create in the top menu to open the Scratch editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll see three main areas. The stage is on the right, where your projects come to life. The block palette is on the left, containing categories of blocks that you can use to code your project. And then the coding area is in the middle. This is where you'll drag blocks from the palette to build your script. Okay, let's create a simple project. We don't have to make do with this default Scratch sprite. We can start by deleting that one and adding our own. You can choose one from the costume library, or draw our very own in the costume editor. Yes, we can have a whole lot of fun in here without ever touching the coding. But come on, let's make the sprite move. Make sure we are back in the Code tab, and then find the Motion category in the block palette and drag a Move 10 Steps block into the coding area. Now, let's make this action happen when you click the green flag. From the Events category, drag a When Green Flag Clicked block and snap it to the top of your Move 10 Steps block. Click the green flag above the stage to see your sprite move. Excellent! So, how about saving and sharing our new project? If we're using the online Scratch editor, our project autosaves quite regularly, so there's no need to worry there. However, you might like to give it a more suitable name, such as My First Project. If you want to share your creation with the Scratch community, click that Share button. Now, clicking on the See Project page allows us to fill out instructions and notes and credits, making it easier for others to understand and enjoy your project. Lastly, to see all your saved work, click the My Stuff on the top banner. And there it is. What fun! Now, for those who are using the offline editor, you can save your projects by clicking File and then Save to My Computer. It's as simple as that. Well, congratulations! you've just taken your first steps with Scratch. There's so much more to explore and create. If you'd like to learn more, then head over to my Griffpatch Academy to begin your journey from gamer to games creator.